Today have to perform the experiment to carry out the estimation of paracetamol by UV absorption spectroscopy. For this experiment, we need paracetamol tablets, and we are using the tablets of this brand. Paracetamol tablets, Planitmol 500 milligram. And you may note the company of this brand. For this experiment, we first have to calculate the average weight of each and every tablet. So we will use 20 tablets and calculate the average weight of each and every tablet. So we need 0.1 molar sodium hydroxide solution. So 0.1 molar sodium hydroxide solution can be prepared by using 0.4 gram, that is 400 milligram of sodium hydroxide pellets, which are dissolved in 100 ml of water. So this is the procedure for making 0.1 molar sodium hydroxide solution. We need volumetric flask for each and every solution preparation, measuring cylinder, beakers, pipette, and then funnel for filtration. All these apparatus we are in need. I have weighed 20 tablets individually and calculate the average weight, and then these 20 tablets are triturated to make powder in this mortar and pestle. So this is the powder of paracetamol. Then I have weighed 0.150 grams, or you can say 150 milligram of paracetamol powder. So this is the powder of tablets, 20 tablets. So we are weighing 150 milligram of paracetamol powder, 150 milligram. So this is 150 milligram of paracetamol powder. We take this powder, then transfer this powder to the beaker. Transfer this powder sample of paracetamol to beaker, and then to this add 0.1 molar NaOH, 50 ml of 0.1 molar sodium hydroxide solution. Mix well, and then dilute with 100 ml of water. Dilute this solution with 100 ml of water. Shake for 15 minutes. Shake for 15 minutes. After forming 100 ml of solution, shake for 15 minutes. And then add sufficient water. To make the solution up to 200 ml. To make the volume of the solution up to 200 ml of water of solution. Well, mix the solution well, and then filter this solution. Filter this solution. After filtration, After filtration, take 10 ml from this solution. From this filtered solution, or you can say filtrate, take 10 ml through pipette and transfer it to another beaker. To this add 100 ml of water. We are adding 100 ml of water to make the solution up to 100 ml. So this is our 100 ml solution till now. So from this 100 ml solution, again we take 10 ml. Again we take or pipette out 10 ml. And transfer it to the beaker. To this 10 ml, we are adding 10 ml of 0.1 molar sodium hydroxide. To this 10 ml pipetted out solution, we are adding 10 ml 0.1 molar sodium hydroxide solution which was made earlier. Then this whole solution was made up to 100 ml. This whole solution was made up to 100 ml with water. And mix this solution. And we will mix this solution. So this is our final solution. And we have to take the readings of this solution, that is paracetamol test solution, at 257 nanometer by UV spectrophotometer, and the reference in this practical is our 0.1 molar NaOH solution. So we will take reference or standard solution 0.1 molar sodium hydroxide and test sample, that is paracetamol. So this is our UV spectrophotometer, and we will take the readings here. UV spectrophotometer, that is double beam UV spectrophotometer. So look, this is the place where we will set the cuvettes, one for reference and one for standard. So this is the place where we will keep our cuvettes, and these are our cuvettes. In this we have to fill the solution. So we are transferring the reference solution to the UV cuvette and keep this cuvette in the reference box. This is the reference box for standard solution or reference solution. Next, the same, transferring the so this is our blank reading. The two cuvettes are filled with blank solution. So we have taken the blank baseline line correction. So now this is the test sample we are keeping in the box and taking the reading of the test sample, that is your paracetamol at 257 nanometer.